Okay, boys and girls, here we are again doing another disc golf course tour. This one's going to be Calvert Road Park. We got 2 days left in the fall, so this is still a fall tour. This is probably our second most frequented course in College Park, Maryland. She's not super difficult, but she's laid out real well. You can bang it out in an hour and a half with a couple guys or gals, and she's a hell of a good time. So after you're done, checking out Kinder Farm Park, swing by Calvert Road Park and get some discing. that was it. I'm sure you saw it was a little sloppy out there today. The slop. That's the one thing about this course. It holds some water after she rains, but we got through it. Wear your boots. Hope you had a good time and dug the Flyby tour. So, you know, get out there and keep doing it. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one.
Oh.
Heartbreaker!
Oh no.